I am back. With another video. I just wanted to say that Merry Christmas. A little late on that, but it's alright though. I'm in my picture actually. Kind of bored, you know? I'm really bored. Literally just eating candy once. And I was thinking another video. What's up guys, it's your girl Squishy Scammer 101 back with another video. She didn't give me the note because I got another package, but on my basket are like full. So let me move them so I can see other people's boxes. Like, yes. But yeah, she gave me another squishy package. So she wants another one, and hold on a second. Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have our box. She couldn't text me. She didn't write a note. She just told me what she wanted on my phone. And then, okay. First thing she wanted was a jumbo panda egg. I don't have that, but I do have the this one's really dirty, actually. Paint job isn't the best work. It's really dirty up at its head. You can't tell. It is really squishy. So yeah, that's one thing we're giving her. I don't know if I have all the things she wanted though, but we can try. We can see if we know what she wants. Oh my god, can't get this fat panda bun. And it's so baggy without it being squashed. Who cares? And she's probably gonna wonder why the bag is so small because I ordered jumbo. Next, she wanted the jumbo donut. She wanted a pink one. I don't have the jumbo donut or the pink one, but I do have the Christmas one. This one does have a rip in it somewhere. Where is it at? I'm not sure where it's at. Yeah, but it's really squishy. It's just not the one she ordered. And this one does not come in packaging. So yeah, too sad, no packaging, sorry. Next thing she wanted was the fries. The blue fries. I have that right here. I really like this one. I really, really like this squishy. And it's really slow rising. It's got a little cute face on it. Actually, my favorite emoji face. And literally, there's not one defect in this thing. And it comes in its packaging. So, since I don't want to give her that one, I'm gonna give her the one I don't like. This really dense one, and it's just straight blue. So yeah, and some other fries. Okay. So the next thing she wanted was the hamburger. I swear I have that one, but I'm really in love with it. Okay, so right here, this is the hamburger. It's really soft and really slow rising. And I really, really like this one, so I want to keep this one. And I'm going to give her the mushroom cat. This one's actually really sticky. And I don't like mushrooms, so she can go ahead and have this one. Let's see. Okay, and there's 2 more squishies. Next thing she wanted was the Yoga Dog. I don't even know if I have the Yoga Dog. Oh, I have the Yoga Dog. She wanted it in pink, but mine's in blue. And this one actually is also Thinking Dirty. And it's not so squishy. One more she ordered was the jumbo pizza. I don't have the jumbo pizza. Whoopsies. I have the miniature pizza. It is not squishy at all. Literally not squishy. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna give this one to her. And since a couple things went wrong in the packaging, I can give her a little candy cane. Nothing's wrong with that. And I'm gonna tape it up right here, so it's nice and secure. Nothing will happen, hopefully, to it. And hopefully she doesn't mind a couple mistakes in the packaging. Yes, there is a couple issues, but I don't think she'll mind. Okay, I'm gonna go ship this to her. So yeah. Is the video starting yet? Yes, it's starting. Hi guys, I got another squishy packaging from Squishy 101. I'm thinking it's Squishy 101. But yeah, let's open. I'm gonna open this box down here so I don't cut the screen on my computer. I can use this. I will use this tape. I can use it for a lot of things. Moving on, the first thing I see is a candy cane. I don't like tape. Okay, next thing I see is a candy cane. I don't eat candy canes, but thanks, okay? First thing I ordered was a jumbo panda bun. And I'm kind of confused also because the box is extremely tiny. And I ordered a lot of jumbo squishies. I hope to squish them all. So I'm gonna feel for the. I don't even feel one big thing. Well, let me see if I can find the panda bun. Okay, hopefully there's a panda bun in here. Yeah, I think this is it. This is it. This is it. Why is it miniature? Like, it's so many. And it's sticky. And look at its forehead. Maybe she made a mistake, okay guys? Maybe she, what if she didn't have it? So she just at least gave me what I wanted, just not in the size. It's just size difference, I guess. Too big of a deal. Next thing I ordered was jumbo fries. I don't see fries in here. Oh well. Not oh well, but let me see if I have what the jumbo pink donut. I ordered the pink one and it's supposed to be jumbo. It's really, really squishy though. Didn't even come in packaging. Next thing I ordered was the jumbo pizza from Punamaro. And this is what I got, like a $5 squishy. And it's not even slow rising. Look at this, ready? It takes like 5 seconds just for it to get back in shape. Next thing I ordered was the Unidoggy, which I wanted big and pink, and it's small and blue. Not even rising, and its forehead's really dirty. Next thing I ordered was, I forget what it was, but I don't see it in here. Is this a mushroom kitty? Don't even eat mushrooms, so why would I even order this? And the last thing I see in here is like the best thing in here, but I didn't order it. I think this was supposed to be sticking up for the fries, and it got a little plain color, just so simple, painted, and it doesn't even look squishy. It bounced. Okay, if I squish it, and look, it's missing so much paint. Just look at that. Okay, we're gonna squish it. Oh my gosh, does that take a while? I really just hurt my wrist, you know. This is not okay. This is not okay for me. I need squishy to be the best squishy in the world. I am going to return this because I don't like it. And I'm giving her the pin back. And this note. No, no, no. Big. I ordered big squishies. Take them back. Done. She does not deserve to sell squishies on this app. Like, no one can do that. That's rude. And why would you want to scam somebody? That's not even funny. I'm so mad. I need to go. back to her. I can't even package it right. I know. She deserves nothing for Christmas. Santa better not get hurt. Anything. When I mean anything, I mean nothing. She doesn't deserve one gift from Santa Claus. She's been a bad girl all Christmas. I am so confused right now. I just got a squishy package back that I actually sold to somebody. And the first thing I see was a big note actually. And it says really sloppy. No, I ordered big squishies. Take them back. On my page, it shows only mini squishies. Plus, thank you. Angie said she got 8 candy canes. More candy canes for me. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Yes, my videos are extremely long.